I just got back from a little adventure to my teepee. The weather's starting to get nasty now, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I just made it out to my little teepee shelter, not too far from home. When I got out here, the whole thing was caved in from the snow. So I had to pull all the walls back. This is just a 20 by 30 tarp with 2 walking sticks tied together for a pole. There's no trees around here for a tripod. So it's just meant to be as minimal as possible. I was supposed to come out here yesterday and tear this down, but I'll share with you why I didn't in a little bit. I would have loved to have been at the cabin right now, but with the road conditions, the wind chill, and all the snow, it'd just be too dangerous. So I decided to set up this little shelter, get some outdoor time, and I'm not too far from my house. The other day I shared a story about how when I was a kid, at Christmas time, there was never enough room in the fridge to store the leftovers, so my dad would put them in our detached garage that was unheated, and we'd keep all the leftovers out there. And in the evenings I would run out in my pajamas and boots and fill up a plate, run back to the house and make my favorite sandwich of turkey and stuffing. So I thought I'd do that tonight. No turkey, just chicken and stuffing and some bannock that I'm going to fry up. I never tried making bannock on an alcohol stove before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. So I was supposed to tear this shelter down yesterday on Christmas Day, but on Christmas Eve I came out here, spent some time. When I went home, I was out picking bottles till almost 2 o'clock in the morning. When I got home, I couldn't sleep at all, and I was up early on Christmas Day. I was up for maybe an hour. I put the chicken in the sink with some cold water to defrost it, and I went to go lay down, and I was out cold. I woke up probably 1 o'clock in the afternoon, put the chicken in the oven, even though it was still kind of frozen. Set the timer for 90 minutes. Went to go lay down again and fell asleep. Somehow when I woke up, I could smell the chicken. I went upstairs and there was 5 minutes left on the timer. The chicken wasn't quite ready, so I put it in for another half an hour. I fell asleep again. While I was sleeping, my wife made some canned corn, instant mashed potatoes, and some stovetop stuffing to go with the chicken for Christmas dinner. I told my wife that once I ate, I'll get so tired I'll probably fall asleep again. And sure enough, right after supper, I lay down and I slept till 9 o'clock in the morning on Boxing Day. Of course, I got up a couple times to look at the clock. I'm trying to decide on whether I should tear this down tonight or wait a couple days. But the longer I wait, the more buried this thing is going to get in snow. We're under a blowing snow advisory tonight, and it's going to be total whiteout conditions, and you know what it's like to work with a tarp in the wind. There's my chicken and stuffing sandwiches on bannock. Should be good. Just heating up some apple cider. Hopefully that doesn't tip over. I forgot to mention those chicken sandwiches went down so quick. It's like I never ate before. I'm just enjoying some hot apple cider, letting the stove die down, and I guess I'll be tearing this apart. Better to do it now than tomorrow. The tarp is down. Managed to get all the snow off of it, which wasn't easy. I'm just going to roll this up as tight as I can into a ball, tie it up, throw it over my shoulder, and I'll deal with it when I get home. Well, I just got back to the workshop. This blowing snow advisory hasn't even started yet. Just so you know that footage I shot at the teepee was not the advisory. It is going to be really nasty here pretty soon. Going down to minus 35 wind chill. In about an hour, I'm going to be leaving to go pick bottles in this weather, believe it or not. That area where I had the teepee and my tracks will be totally wiped out by morning. So if I can, I will try to film some footage. And thank you very much for watching. I think it's time to go in and sit by the wood stove.